Hello fans of Wonders of London, this is Vincent. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day, and today I'm in Marylebone, just walking around having a look at the streets. And Marylebone can be found in the city of Westminster, which is also known as the Borough of Westminster. And one amazing thing about London, something we love at Wonders of London about London, is of course the number of parks and gardens that you get in this phenomenal city. And here, just by the St Marylebone Church of England School, over here we do have some beautiful gardens, as you can see over here. These are the Marylebone Parish Church gardens. We've got the Marylebone Parish Church as well, which is undergoing renovations at the moment. And the City of Westminster parks are enjoyed by thousands of visitors every year. So it is something to marvel at. And one thing I do love about this particular park, despite the works they're doing at the church that we can see just in front of us over there, are the phenomenal trees that we get. Have a look at these beautiful specimens, and you can hear the construction works going on in the distance. But before I leave you, I do hope you've enjoyed this little video. Do have a look at the church in Marylebone over here, and very soon hopefully they will have finished the works and you can visit and see this beautiful church once more. I do hope you've enjoyed that video, and if you have, please hit the like button, subscribe, etc. And thanks so much. Have a lovely rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.